Hi, I'm Alana and I am the Monitor Respond PM. And today I'm going to talk to you about the GitLab Slack app that we are building specifically for incident management. So this is the epic that we're working on, where we have all of the designs and the technical breakdown and how we are going to be completing this work. But today I wanted to start by going through the designs. So we are going to be adding the ability to get notifications specifically on the incident issue type, as opposed to today, what is available is just the issue itself. So we're breaking that up a little bit to make sure that users don't get notifications on all types of issues, just the incident issues, if that's what they need for the incident workflow. Then we're going to add the ability to create incidents and declare incidents through Slack. What does that mean? So we have a / command, GitLab incident declare, which is actually taken from one of our homegrown tools, Woodhouse. And from there, users will have a modal where they can create their incident. They can include details like their project, include the incident severity, include whatever description, but they'll also be able to use quick actions in GitLab to assign users, to add links, and to add labels. And if they want, they can also add things like a war room Zoom link. So once they create the incident, that will also be recorded in the whatever channel they've decided is their incident response channel, which will include the important things around that incident, which is a link to GitLab, the Zoom link, and then also a Slack channel specific to that incident. You'll also be able to see that the incident that you created in Slack is here. So things like the Slack channel, the Zoom link, and then maybe that short description, the severity is all included already in the GitLab incident. We also wanted to make it easy to send things back and forth between Slack and GitLab to have that level of visibility. And we found that not every single comment and every single thread belongs in both places. So we're allowing users to push those things to the Slack channel from GitLab with a GitLab quick action. So this is a comment that will go to Slack, and then vice versa. So we can see that this was what came from GitLab. But if we want something to come from Slack to GitLab, then we will have a Slack / command. We also have some other features that are built in GitLab incidents, like the incident timelines. So we can extend the initial / command to add something like in a timeline event directly from /. So that way users don't have to go in and add those manually in GitLab. All right, that's what we have planned so far. Let's go back into the issue, actually the epic, and talk about how things are organized in case you feel like you want to get oriented. So we have our initial wireframes are still in there. We have the designs that I just walked through. And then we have Sarah, our engineering manager, has done a great technical breakdown to identify the issue dependencies, and she's broken things into different phases. So that way things can make sure we know what issues can be worked at in parallel, which issues are potentially blocking other issues, and they are all broken down into some of these sub-epics. So let's take a look at this one, which highlights some of those different phases. So you can see here, each one is phase 1, phase 2, and then we even have some phase 3. So hopefully that gets you oriented to what we are building for our Slack app for incident management, and gives you a little bit better idea of what's coming. We have it's 15/7 at the time of this recording. I just heard today that Regendra has completed that first incident declare Slack / command. And so we are making progress, and we're looking forward to continuing and seeing users use this once it is ready. Thank you for watching.